Today's control is ISM-2003, and it focuses on people, specifically your cybersecurity workforce. It says your board or executive committee must stay aware of cyber recruitment activity, retention rates, and skills and experience gaps across the organisation. Why? Because without the right people in the right roles, your cyber strategy is just words on paper. Here's a simple metaphor. You wouldn't take a race car to the track without a mechanic crew. Even the best designed security architecture falls apart without skilled people to build, run, and defend it. I've assessed orgs where turnover in cyber roles was high, but leadership had no visibility. That's a blind spot that weakens your risk posture over time. So ask yourself, does your board know how cyber hiring and retention are tracking? If not, ISM 2033 is your wake-up call.